Hello, in this video we are going to see how to use Matlab online without any heavy installation, and bonus, it is free. Let's get started. First, open any internet browser and search Coursera from it and click join for free. Sign up there with FB or Google account. It will take some time for processing. Then search Introduction to Programming with Matlab. Click on that course and browse. After that, click on top right Start for free. In the pop-up menu, select Full Course No Certificate, Continue. Start learning. Then click on Resource, and in that window select How to get Matlab. Then set your MathWorks account with Matlab Online Access by signing in using course license. Okay. After selecting there, select on Create Account. Fill up your details. And click Continue. Check the box Use this email for my MathWorks account. Continue. In another tab, open your Gmail and refresh. Search Matlab and click on Verify Email Address. Return to the initial tab and click Continue. Type one preferable user ID and password. Click I accept the online services agreement. Continue. Click Access Matlab Online, and it will take some time. Oh, boom! Now you are currently seeing Matlab user interface, and it just looks like the offline interface and even better. So that's it. See, I'm doing a calculation and it works. For more useful content, do check my channel playlist. You can also follow me on Facebook. Bye bye.